We all have stresses in life, whether it's our work, relationships, or illness. It's how we relieve these stresses that can make the difference between dealing with them or allowing them to consume us. For me, it's the ocean that relieves my stress. I read somewhere once that the ocean actually changes our brainwaves and puts us into a mild meditative state. Maybe it's the sound of the waves lapping against the rocks or the cold blue-green colours, but it's the hypnotic rainbow beneath the ever-changing surface that calms me. There could be a storming surge happening above, but below, silence. Everything moves slower. It's just you and your beating heart. The ocean covers 71% of the surface of the earth, but yet we still don't take care of it. Maybe because I surround myself in its beauty, I'm aware of the damage. But for most, it's out of sight, out of mind. There is currently 5.25 trillion micropieces of plastic in our ocean, and around 8 million pieces of plastic adds to the ever-growing problem every single day. So where do we go from here? If I had the answers, would the powers above listen? What we can do is our part, and maybe consider nature over our own convenience. Change is coming. Let's be the change.